Hello everyone. This video is to tell about my website rajamanikam.com, rajamanikam.com. Here I am selling my ebooks and AI course and many other products like timesheet software. Even you can join as member using this product. Okay, so here you can just go through the details. I already explained that in my previous videos. This video is to tell about a discount code. Okay, so I offer discount codes frequently. Now I'm sharing key discount codes. One is QPT, which can give 50% discount for all the products here, and another one is Raj, 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 that will be giving 70% discount for all the products. Okay, but that code, it will be available for like limited time only. If it is not available, you have to use the code QPT. Okay, so tell about this offer to your friends, and moreover you can earn money by referring my ebooks and EA course to your friends. Okay, I am offering right now, offering 50% affiliate commission. You can easily earn money from that, right? And moreover, I will teach about how to do the AI course promotion so that you can earn money easily. Okay, so just if you have any questions, just contact me. I provided my email ID here. You can check the details here. Rajamanikam, rajamanikam.a@gmail.com, right? Here you can find the details, and if you need any details, you can just contact me, or if you need more details, I can explain them through a quick Google Meet. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.